One of the most overlooked aspects of optimizing the handling and balance of your car is corner weighting. Done right, this is something that can dramatically improve your lap times as well as the level of confidence you have behind the wheel when pushing hard on track. Corner weighting is an absolutely critical component of race car prep in any professional race series, but until now it's been hard for enthusiasts at the grassroots level to learn how to properly carry this out. HPA's Practical Corner Weighting course will teach you how corner weighting affects performance and balance, and you'll learn how to assess your car's performance and find out where there's potential for improvement. You will learn about the equipment needed for corner weighting and how to correctly set up a flat patch to ensure you get accurate results. You'll also learn how to adjust your corner weights quickly and easily to optimize the balance of your car. Once you understand the theory, you'll be taught a simple 6-step process that you can apply on your own car regardless what style of motorsport you're involved in. This is something you can see being applied on a real car in our library of worked examples. Once you've purchased this course, it's yours for life and you can rewatch it as many times as you like. This is important because there's a lot of information packed into this course and you might not understand every single concept the first time you watch a module. The practical skills section of this course is also super useful to follow through while you're corner weighting your own car to make sure you're doing everything just right. Once you've completed the course, you'll receive a certificate of completion, which is the perfect addition to your CV. This is ideal if you're looking for a career in the racing industry, or you can just hang it on the wall in your garage or shed to show off your newfound skills to your buddies. We know it can be hard to be sure that a course is right for you when purchasing online education, and with this in mind, we want you to be able to purchase with complete confidence and no risk, which is why we offer a no questions asked 60-day money-back guarantee. If you find for any reason at all that the course isn't right for you, let us know and you'll get a full refund. So, what's the next step? To get instant access to this course, click the Enroll Now button.